Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Melike and I am honored to present our research titled Exploring the Nexus of Technology and Food Practices in Young Adults, a value-sensitive design perspective towards human-food interaction by Melike Balkaya and Gökçe Elif Baykan. First, I will walk you through an introduction, after that the background information, the methodology we used, findings, discussion, and a short conclusion. Food is essential for survival and a leading global industry, deeply influencing social interactions. People turn to digital and traditional media for culinary inspiration, sharing experiences, and exploring topics like cooking, food shopping, fermentation, and sustainable living. Our research examines young adults who often experiment with food and influence culinary trends. As they shape their identities, they explore new ingredients, cooking methods, and dietary choices, contributing to evolving food practices. The objectives of this research are: investigate young adults' food practices, identify key themes and value conflicts, provide design insights and future projections. The key concepts of this research are human-food interaction, value-sensitive design, and young generation's food practices. Human-food interaction is a subfield of human-computer interaction that examines the role of technology in food-related practices. Human-food interaction research aims to balance technological innovation with cultural and social values, creating a holistic approach to food practices that benefit individuals, communities, and the environment. Value-sensitive design is an approach to technology design that emphasizes integrating human values through the design process. Value-sensitive design is characterized by its adaptability, allowing it to address various values, contexts, and cultures. As I mentioned earlier, as digital natives, young adults provide a unique and valuable perspective on the evolving landscape of food practices. To achieve these objectives, we employed a mixed methods approach, including surveys, in-depth interviews, and workshops. Our survey targeted young adults aged 20 and 25 and gathered broad insights about their food practices and the role of technology. In-depth interviews, on the other hand, provided deeper insights into personal food practices and values, while workshops helped test and refine our card-based design tool. The first workshop tested a card-based design tool to translate young adult insight for experts. 5 designers participated, working in small groups with Schwarzwell inventory to explore and classify values, identify patterns, and analyze stakeholder relationships and potential conflicts. The second workshop focused on discussing young adults' food practices and developing value-sensitive design solutions. 9 experts from gastronomy and design participated, using an expanded card set to classify values, explore food practices, and brainstorm design solutions based on insights from previous sessions. For the data analysis, we used affinity diagram and reflexive thematic analysis in an iterative way for both interviews and workshops. The workshops also helped us to validate and refine the mapping of values and consider future design solutions based on young adults' food practices. Our findings reveal 5 key themes and several sub-themes. The first theme is preservation of culinary heritage and relationships. The sub-themes are passing down traditions to future generations and eroding culinary heritage, familial culinary traditions on personal choices, preserving specific aspects of culinary traditions, and nurturing relationships. The second theme is technological convenience. The sub-themes are rediscovering food and traditions through technology, technology's clear visual roadmap, cautious optimism, skepticism about future food practices. And the third theme is globalized nature of food. The sub-themes are curiosity about global cuisines, discovery and creativity, importance of flexibility, adaptability and understanding, and social media effect on food practices. The fourth theme is uniqueness and personalization. The sub-themes are human touch, maintain uniqueness through family cooking traditions, and culinary individuality amidst technological homogenization. The final and fifth theme is sustainable choices and trustworthiness. The sub-themes are significance of local markets, food at home for healthier options and avoiding ready-made food, and agricultural sustainability. This is a thematic map demonstrating all the themes and sub-themes. The important thing here is that we can see that all the themes are connected somehow. This shows us the dynamic nature of values. In the workshops, participants provided valuable feedback on the tentative card set, assessing its usability and effectiveness in engaging experts with the data. They developed potential design solutions addressing young adults' concerns in food practices, focusing on technology. Overall, the workshops emphasized the importance of integrating technology thoughtfully to enhance food practices while safeguarding cultural values. The evaluation of themes in this study utilized Schwartz's dynamic underpinnings of the universal value structure to analyze the interplay and scope of values. This tool enabled a systematic assessment of themes, illustrating their alignment with fundamental values and revealing key conflicts. So, we identified 5 major value conflicts. The first one is between technological convenience and cultural food practices. There is a need to balance technological advancements with efforts to preserve and promote cultural heritage. The second one is between innovation and human touch. So there is a need to integrate technology in a way that complements rather than replaces the human element in cooking. The third one is between sustainable choices and convenience. So there is a need for solutions that make sustainable choices more accessible and convenient for consumers. The fourth one is culinary traditions versus social media effect. So there is a need to enhance the visibility of traditional recipes on digital platforms to support their continued relevance and transfer across generations. The final value conflict is between desired diversity and concerned standardization. So there is a potential loss of unique culinary experiences and family recipes. Based on these findings, we propose several design considerations for future research and development. The first one is balancing technological advancements with cultural preservation. Developing technology that support the preservation of personal culinary traditions while offering the benefits of modern technology, to give an example. The second one, promoting sustainability. For example, using AI tools to suggest recipes based on available ingredients, enabling users to make eco-friendly decisions without sacrificing convenience. The third one is leveraging social media for cultural preservation, such as engaging influencers to promote traditional cuisines. The fourth one is maintaining culinary diversity amidst technological standardization, such as creating AI-powered systems that offer personalized recipe suggestions based on individual tastes and cultural backgrounds. Our study focused on young adults, mainly urban dwellers in Turkey, excluding older generations, rural perspectives, and diverse dietary groups. Key stakeholders and social scientists were also missing and limiting insights. Future research should address these gaps for a broader understanding. This research explores the food practices of young adults, particularly how technology intersects with tradition by using a value-sensitive design approach. In conclusion, technology alone cannot resolve these conflicts. Rather, its thoughtful integration with human values can enhance food experiences while safeguarding cultural heritage. We encourage future research to further explore this interplay and develop inclusive, sustainable solutions for human-food interaction. You can see all the references here. And thank you for listening.